The Jigsaw project involves a huge number of different people. There's a long process using live musicians and as dance workers, and lots of different participants, able-bodied and disabled dancers. We all work together collaboratively and finish up with this huge performance at the courtyard where parents and friends can come and watch.
I like dance and movement, and I also do my own part. And I do my own whole body.
But what's so lovely about it is the fact that you've got little ones, you've got primary school age, you've got youth taking part in an integrated way, and you've got adults and adults with learning disabilities working with their carers. It's incredibly unique because obviously there's people of all different abilities and disabilities.
I think that's the most invaluable thing about Jigsaw, is that at the start, especially with the youth dance groups that we teach, there is a slight awkwardness trying to collaborate between the able-bodied people and the disabled people. But as the weeks go on, I think that's what's most invaluable, is that it goes past the disability, and it's great for the able-bodied people, especially kind of teenagers, to get used to make friends and communicate with the disabled dancers in the group.
It's a really exciting opportunity for us to work with them, and it sort of creates a different type of dance, really. It's very community-based, but also it's challenging as well for those with special needs and for us.
She teaches us how to do the ribbons and how to get in partners and do the spinning, and it's great having them here.
Well, generally I find that it really does draw both sides out, because obviously you've got mainstream children working with children who are less able than themselves, so therefore they've got to think of how they can work things out creatively so that they're both getting the best out of it.
The rehearsals are very hard for the children, especially at the beginning, but they do immensely enjoy it. They go in there and it's amazing what you can get drawn out of the children. So, some of the children have difficulty in mobility ways, but they really do enjoy it, and you draw lots and lots of movement out of them. It's very good. The concentration side of it, yes, they've had to build it week after week, but that does them good. It really does.
I've linked up with the music pool based at the courtyard for quite a number of years, and I looked at the fact that it could be a really good response with using music, working live, so that we weren't working to recorded music, that, well, it could be any rhythm and the children could be just moving to it because it's there in the background. Instead, it's created for them and with them, and in this way it really helps them to remember the movement much better as well.
It's quite rare to have this sort of opportunity of doing sort of live creative music like this, and I think it's great.
I think it's a really nice way of working to actually produce music for the dance, and I think that the benefits that they get out of it, they see it right from its conception. They're kind of part of the music, really, in a way. They've helped to inspire the music, so they kind of get something out of seeing the process. I, as I say, begin with just a simple rhythm, and then they see it grow into an actual piece of music.
I came along and really concentrated on picking up the energy from the youngsters and their carers involved in the dance, and trying to create sort of some sort of music which matched the energy that I saw visually in front of me.
Definitely much better working with a live musician. When we're working along normally with CDs, we're trying to fit as much as we can the music to the movement. But with the live musicians, it's been lovely to kind of say what we thought worked with the movement and what we thought didn't, and we've been able to make some really good movement and music together as one, rather than trying to force the two together.
We do our best work for everybody.
Well, we have a lot of people coming to watch this tonight.
Nervous, yeah, but excited and up for it, so yeah.
I'm a little bit nervous. We are very, very perfect.
Brilliant, excited.
Who's supporting me?
Oh, excited but nervous. It's going to be awesome though.
Yeah, I want my dad to see me on a video what I'm doing, because he won't be here tonight.
Daddy, Granddad Smith, and Grandma Grandad Paul can watch me.
My mum, my dad, Nan, Grandma, Grandpa.
All members of the Jigsaw Company to the stage, please. Thank you.
That's us.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Yeah, everything was just spot on, and everything was really good. Yeah, really good.
Yeah, this is the last one. We did it, we did it, we did it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, touch to the world. Oh yeah.
Oh, beautiful, lovely. Oh, they're gorgeous, all of them, aren't they?
Very, very good. Very, very good. A lot of work for the children to all put together. Wonderful.
I am a bit sad it's finished, but I want to keep on doing it.
Well, it makes you want to cry, doesn't it?
I think it went good.
Yeah.
I think it went good, Joe?
Yeah. Touch to the camera. Yeah.